Corruption. Corruption in India is a result of connection between bureaucrats, politicians, and criminals. Earlier, bribes were paid for getting wrong things done, but now bribe is paid for getting right things done and at right time. Further, corruption has become something respectable in India because respectable people are involved in it. In social corruption like less weighing of products, adulteration edible items and bribery of various products have instantly prevailed in the society. In today's scenario, if a person wants a government job, he has to pay lakhs of rupees to hire officials, irrespective of satisfying all the eligible criteria. In every office, one has to give money to the employer concerned or arrange for some sources to get work done. Political corruption is worst in India. The major cause of concern is that corruption is weakening the political body and damaging the supreme importance of the law. Corruption is spiritual or moral impurity or deviation from an ideal. In economy, corruption is payment for services of material which the recipient is not due under law. Major factors for corruption are like nature of human being. People in general have a great thirst for luxuries and comforts, and as a result of which they are getting involved in the unexpected activities. Moral and spiritual values are not given utmost importance in educational system. The salary paid to employers are very less, due to which they are forced to earn money by illegal ways. The punishment imposed on the criminals are inadequate. Anna Hazare is a social activist and is protesting against government to make effective anti-corruption law. Hazare fights against corruption started a long back from 1991. He wanted to empower the common people against the bad policies of government. Hazare fasted against Maharashtrian government to enact a right to information law which Maharashtra government dragged for years without enacting. Hazare started an definite fast and on 12th day of the fast the government implemented the law. This led to a nationwide campaign and Right to Information Act was passed by Parliament, implemented in the entire region. Anna Hazare started his fight against corruption at Jantar Mandir on 5th April with the support of social workers and young activists. He wanted to draft a new Lokpal bill against the government recommended Lokpal bill. Hazare has raised his voice against government system and protested for making effective anti-corruption law. Anna Hazare against corruption has gone for hunger strike to get support of people of country. Jan Lokpal Bill is a draft or bill of act that says there should be an independent body like election commission and should have power to take any action without prior informing to government. Anna Hazare corruption movement or protest is against law and order of India. Anna Hazare quotations about law of India are liked by many people and he got support from number of people, not only in this country from any other country also. Moreover, our Bollywood stars also supported him and during his fast newspapers, TV channels, news channels were all covered with his rally activities. His biggest protest was anti-corruption protest in Maharashtra and he became a national image. Moreover, he also got Padma Bhushan for his contribution to human society. Anna Hazare corruption has swayed lot of support from population of the country. His historic fast against corruption got lot of supporters. It like people of India got their own voice in form of Anna Hazare. There were number of marches, candle lights across the country. All people are supporting using Anna Hazare quotations to show their support. India has seen nothing like in the past and people are very thankful to him. He thanked for people of India for their immense support and request citizens of India to stay peaceful and support him in his non-violence movement.